Hi, my name is Ramya. My register number is UR15CS327. In this experiment, we are creating a web application with the three contents having a quiz page, then a page for a moving car, and a library page. So, in this, you have a page for quiz competition, then moving car, then library books. And in this, you have a clickable quiz competition, moving car, library books, and then the CSS style sheet for each thing. You're given the table position as relative, then top 140 and height is 90%. Then in the table you have left, then width 80%, color white with the background color of RGBA 255 170 0 0.7, font size of 18 pixels. Then you have a 8 pixel solid black, then 19 pixel as the border radius, and you have in the n child odd and n child even your background color black and the color. Then you have text decoration as none and color black. And then you next you go to the main. In the main, you get the quiz application. So when you click on the clickable quiz application, they ask you to enter the name, where you give the name of the user, and you have to click the start button so that you can start the test. And in this, in the field set, you have position as relative, top 0 pixel, background color is C00, and opacity of 0.8. The background color in the body is black. Then you have in the once you click on the quiz.html, then quiz.html, you have different calculate the score. If the score is 0, then you have to check the score will be 0 plus 20. Then if the score is if it's D is W equal to 3, you give score plus 20. And in the document, when you select the query name as Q, input name is Q3, then the value score plus 20. And when if the input name is Q5, then the value will be D's option is 1. If the answer is 1, then again score plus 20. So all the questions, if the answer is correct. So in every question, according to the question, each question option is, if the option is 3, then you get a correct answer. If the third option is correct, then score is added. Every time the D is correct, then the score gets added. And once the score is 100, you get the display, good job, you got an A. If score is greater than 80, you got a B on the quiz. And if score is greater than 60, you got a C on the quiz. Otherwise, you'll display, I expect better from you. And then after that, you have in the field set, you have the questions, each question with the whatever option in the radio button. If the first one is joule unit, the question with the different options, all the questions with the options, and finally display the result and the grade. Then in the car.html, in this you have for the car, for the moving car, what you do is you have to set an interval for the moving, and once you click the start button it moves, and once you click the stop button it stops. So here in the image style, see it is given width as 500 pixels and height as 250 pixels. And then in interval you set it as display, 1000, and you get the hours, minutes and seconds, and just get the time. In moving car, once you press start, it starts, and stop, it will stop wherever it is, and reset, go back to the original position. And the image, for the image you have to give a function image where it has a position, style position, you give it as relative, and style to left of 0 pixel. You have test function, start and stop. Test function you have set an interval, and start function, from the image you move left, add plus 2 pixels, then you have to stop it wherever it is. This is reset, go back to 0 pixel. Then in the library function, you have different questions. Okay, in the library thing, you have different things, books which were published after 1990, then before 1980. So for that you have loops with I is equal to 1, J is equal to 1, I is less than the length of each book, and the title. And whenever you click the button, based on that, you will display the books which are available and the books were published after 1980 and before 1980. So in style sheet, in the style sheet, in the script you given whatever you need to display. Then in the style sheet you have background color and all that. In the script part, script box, in this array you have 6-7 books name with the author and the year of publishing. And then when you run this program, so when you click on quiz competition, you need to enter your name and start the button. Then whatever you press, you give complete and the result gets displayed. Then you again click on moving car. When you click start, it starts. When stop, it stops, and resale go back to the original position. Then library books, when you click display, it displays all the books which are there. Then when you click after, it displays the books which are after 1980. Then before, it displays the book before 1980. Thank you.